This concept will change how you think about change itself, because the way you wake up tomorrow can rewire your entire life. Imagine two brains, one frozen in yesterday's habits, the other pulsing with tomorrow's possibilities. Which one is yours? 95% of people will relive today the exact same way, same side of the bed, same finger on the alarm. Same slippers, same reflection, same shower routine, same coffee mug. Same commute, same coworkers, same reactions, same evening scroll, same sleep. Repeat. Did your brain evolve one synapse, or did it just photocopy yesterday? Neuroscience calls this fire together, wire together. The more you rerun a thought, the deeper its groove. Until your mind becomes a vinyl stuck on the same three notes. Picture a glowing compass spinning in darkness. Now watch it freeze, pointing to a continent you've never visited. That's the moment you decide to think beyond what your eyes can see. Every legendary changemaker carried an invisible map. William Wallace saw free skies before Scotland did. Gandhi felt independence before the British left. Martin Luther King stood on a dream, not a podium. Their secret, they lived from the future, not for it. Your personality is the factory that produces your personal reality. Shift the recipe, change the product. Want a new life? Install a new operating system. Same hardware, fresh code. Learning is the upgrade. Every fresh fact forges a neural bridge. Every repeated insight strengthens the beams. Soon your brain looks like the goal already achieved. Joy, greatness, limitlessness aren't moods, they're circuits. Flip the switch with one elevated thought. And the chemistry follows. Drip by drip you become the person who already owns the vision.